Fix a document feeder or ADF jam for the HP SmartTank 750, 790, 7300, and 7600 printer series. If your printer stops feeding pages through the document feeder, or an ADF jam error message displays on the control panel, follow these steps to clear the jam. To avoid ADF jams, avoid overloading the document feeder. The document feeder capacity is 35 sheets. Step 1. Clear the jam. Lift the document feeder cover. Remove any jammed paper. Close the document feeder cover. Press the OK or Resume button to continue. Step 2. Reset the printer. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer on.